Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
Olympic gold medalist Roger Stoner and Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts are tipped to secure the 2025 National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards when the RGR Sports Foundation National Sports Awards Gala is held this evening at the Pegasus Hotel at 8:30 p.m. While Stoner, who won the discus at the Paris Olympics, has earned his first nomination for the men's honors, Ricketts, who took silver in the women's triple jump in Paris, has been nominated for the Sportswoman of the Year Award for the third time. Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson, 110-meter hurdles bronze medalist Rashid Broadbell, long jumpers Paris silver medalist Wayne Pinnock and Kara McLeod, Paris shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, and sprinters Akeem Blake and Rashid McDonald are the other male nominees. While 400-meter hurdler Rochelle Clayton, sprint hurdler Kieran Nugent, 400-meter runner Nikisha Price, and national cyclist Laurie Sharp are the other female nominees. Meanwhile, Evan Wilkes O'Grady, who is in charge of logistics and protocol, says everything is in place for this evening's event.
Not just an award, because the first hour we have the red carpet, which is broadcast live on RETV. Then you have the gala bit in the middle, but it doesn't actually finish then. We then go upstairs to talk of the town, and that's where you end up with the entertainment and the food. So it's a fabulous evening.
Jamaica's Jhin Hibbert's under-20 triple jump world record of 17.75 meters, done at the 2024 Racers Grand Prix, has been ratified by World Athletics. Hibbert, who turns 20 on Friday, improved on his own previous world under-20 record of 17.66 meters, done in 2023 at the Monaco Diamond League meet. His series in Kingston included an opening leap of 16.45 meters. He then improved to 17.14 meters in the second round and then 17.30 meters in the third round before he soared to his new world under-20 record in the fourth and final round. Hibbert went on to finish fourth in the Olympic final in Paris with 17.61 meters. Electing to bat, hosts Pakistan recovered from a shaky start to reach 143 for 4 at stumps in their first innings on the opening day of the first test against the West Indies in Multan. Saud Shakil, 56, and Mohammad Rizwan, 51, were the not-out batsmen. The two have so far shared in an unbroken 97-run fifth-wicket partnership after they had been reduced to 46 for 4 at one stage. Jayden Seals has so far taken 3 for 21 and Gudakesh Moti 1 for 45 for the Caribbean team. Earlier, the start of play was delayed by 4 hours due to heavy fog that enveloped the ground.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.